Chris here with IPD, and today we're going to talk about Pegasus wheels. Right here we've got our very popular Hyper Silver Pegasus that we've been selling for quite some time. But for 2013, we've added a new flavor to the Peg. Over here, we've got a new machined finish, and I'm going to talk about the differences between the two of them to help you decide which wheels you want to help make your Volvo a little more unique. Now these wheels in front of me are very similar in looks, but once we look at the details, you're going to think a little bit different about how you're going to want to dress up your car. We're just going to let you look at the details. On the Hyper Silver wheel, it's all one color throughout the whole entire wheel. On this new machine faced wheel, it's actually got a different color behind the machine face, which accentuates the spokes a little more and gives the wheel a little bit more depth. We're going to talk about the process that goes into each one of these wheels and let you make the decision on how you want to dress up your Volvo. With the Hyper Silver wheel, it's a high quality cast wheel, as you guys have come to know and love. The demand is still there for this wheel, and that's why we continue to offer them. The Hyper Silver is a two-stage paint process that goes into this. It gets cast, the wheel gets machined, then it gets painted, and then it gets clear coated. So it brings out this really beautiful color. Now this wheel is all one color throughout the bore, throughout the spokes, and inside here where the lug nuts go. So for 2013, we wanted to bring a new look to the Pegasus wheel. The Pegasus is a very popular wheel. It looks fantastic on Volvos, and it's been very popular with our customers. We just wanted to provide another option and give your Volvo a new look. The machine face Pegasus wheel goes through the exact same manufacturing process as the Hyper Silver wheel, except we added an additional step. Now this wheel gets cast, it gets machined for very high quality, it gets then completely painted, and then after it's done being painted, it gets put into a CNC machine that utilizes a synthetic diamond drill bit. Now what that drill bit does is it sweeps across the face of the wheel, exposing the natural alloy. Now because we use a synthetic diamond drill bit, the drill bit's able to operate at a high revolution and do really slow sweeps across the face of the wheel. And what that does is it almost brings the spokes to a really high polished finish. Now what we've done different on this wheel is we've added a darker background color. We used a gunmetal, or what some of you might call as an anthracite. Now what that does is it really exposes the deep bore, or it allows the contrast of the spokes to really stand out compared to the rest of the wheel. Now for a final process, after it's been completely cut and finished, it gets a clear coat over the top of it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to toss a set of these on our project car and let you look at the differences between the Hyper Silver and the machine face Peg. Now that you've seen both wheels operating on our project car, it's completely up to you. Personal preference. Whether you like a completely painted wheel or you want to have a little bit of contrast with the machine face finish, we're going to leave it up to you to decide. Check out the website for vehicle application and fitments. If you have any more questions, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.